Hello everybody, it's Daily Daryl from downtown Chicago. I'll pan over there and let you see some of the scenery around the city. Don't claim to be a tour guide. I do know that that's Navy Pier back there in the background. And I'm telling you what, it's ice cold here today on the banks of Lake Michigan. And I'm out here getting in a 6-mile training run for St. Jude's Marathon, which is in December. And if you go to my Facebook page, you can make a small donation. Give me $10 or so towards the race to compensate me for busting my butt today here on the banks of Lake Michigan. Listen, the reason I wanted to do a short video is we got some breaking news in Kentucky, and it looks like our Supreme Court has affirmed the appeals court's decision to basically overturn medical review panels in the state of Kentucky. Controversial law passed couple years ago by our state legislature and rammed through, and it basically took away our right to a trial by jury against any hospital or nursing home. And I can tell you today, after our Trial Lawyers Association and everybody fighting the good fight, that your trial by jury has been reinstated for you. And now you don't have to go through these unconstitutional medical review panels. So I'm calling it a great day for the Bill of Rights, and just a victory for citizens all over the state of Kentucky. So if you want any more information about that, look me up or send me a direct message. I'm fixing to get back to running here. It is extremely cold up here on the banks of Lake Michigan. Hope everybody's fought through last night's snow good, and the roads aren't too bad and everything. We're up here at a legal conference. Starts tomorrow. Tonight we'll gather and we're going to go see that musical Hamilton. Looking very much forward to that. And then tomorrow the conference is all day, and then I'm on the late flight back to Paducah. Can't wait to see you guys then. Big weekend. So it's Daryl T. Dixon, the banks of Lake Michigan, downtown Chicago. In the clouds in the distance there, you can see the Hancock building. And that's it. Daily Daryl from downtown Chicago, banks of Lake Michigan. The Bill of Rights in Kentucky is alive and well. Hope everybody has a great day.